Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we are out driving the 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country with Super Cruise. This is the first time I've used Super Cruise extensively on the highway, and I want to do a little video showing you all how impressive it really is. I've spent time with all the different brands, semi-autonomous driving features, and upon my short impression, this is the most impressive. It really is. Now, it is limited to highways that it knows, but fortunately, that's millions of miles, maybe not millions, but tens of thousands of miles within the U.S. of interstates, so should be no issue using it there. But look at how well this works. Should I want to change lanes over to the right, tap on the signal there, it's going to auto lane change, make its way. It's even doing it on a corner. And it's going to straighten right up there. And then I want you to see how when we come up on slower traffic, it's going to automatically change lanes to the left for me. I don't have to do anything. Now, yes, Tesla's self-driving beta has done this for a while, but this seems to be more confident. So just vibrated my seat on the left, telling me it's going to lane change to the left. Look at that. I actually don't 100% know why it did that, considering that car is not going any slower. Maybe it's because of the car in front of it. It's sort of getting ready, but in theory it should have stayed in that right lane, so that's kind of interesting. But either way, check this out. I mean, I'm not putting my hands on the wheel. It's monitoring my eye motion to make sure that I'm paying attention, but I could drive hundreds of miles like this. I know a lot of people have, just cruising along and letting it do its thing. I'm really quite impressed. And it's a shame that I've had to wait until 2022 to try this out, because Cadillac and GM in general, they just haven't included the system on many of their vehicles. So I don't know why it's flashing at me. Disengaging, take vehicle control. Why? Why are you disengaging? Oh, can't see my face. Now that's probably because of my camera. I do have a camera on my forehead right now for shooting the POV, but in general, it's been able to see my eyes and face pretty well. So yeah, really impressive, and honestly a feature that I would consider ponying up for if I were purchasing a new vehicle. I would consider buying a GM just in order to get Super Cruise, maybe like a Chevy Bolt or something. I guess maybe I'd have to get the Bolt EUV, but either way, very cool. Hope you enjoyed. And if you do want to see more on the refreshed 22 Silverado, check the links in the description. We've got all sorts of videos, infotainment review, sound system test, fuel economy review, all the good things. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.